What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back when I hit and smashing a bang. You already know what time it is, people. You already know what time it is. You're up on the latest reaction channel on YouTube. You already know what time it is. The latest reaction channel, the maddest reaction channel, not the saddest reaction channel. You see me? Them can't test me. You don't know. Be a vibes and be a things always going over here, so people, you don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, if I see one title there or the artist, you see me, that's no stranger to the channel. You see me, I talk about who? Yeah, man. Mr. Gage himself, Mr. Bang Bang, man. Come in, man. Yeah, man, Mr. Gage himself, man. Till them drop a song Worry About What. I'm going to check it out and see what going from there. Gage. You see me been hooking up a stamp on social media, online, and in the media, all these things. And you see me been dropping some bangers, you know. People are giving me a new look and all these things. But anyway, Gage, I don't know Gage. You know, one artist from Clarendon, you see me have to represent for the Clarendon Massive, you don't know. You see me, my place that Clarendon, me pen and don't play pen, you don't know what things said. Yeah, man, Gage. Got a new song called Worry About What. I'm going to check it out and see what I want. You don't know Gage, a bad artist. Very underrated, in my opinion. Very, very underrated. One of the most lyrical and most creative dancehall artists. Me, I tell you that, period. You see me? But no further ado, I jump right in that track. This is Gage, Worry About What. Let's get it.
My pre-records.
Fight with the devil for real, dog. I just a fight him like a name Jesus. In the desert, I go for the
My pre-dogs. My pre-records. Alright.
green grass.
Portland.
Wish part water is always running on the struggle, just ease up.
Falkland.
I said Portland, where waters are running and the struggle ease off. Come in.
Grand spin. Love cause my pain. Trust bring me shame. Me bring people to the world.
Love bring me pain, trust bring me shame. Come in.
But turn around and them still bring my name. Love a girl to me heart, you never love me the same. But man I pray them do a me take the blame. Music turn me in a star in a
You're really youth. You're really youth. You love a girl, me I never love me the same, but me never pray them. And me believe. He's a man, I know where you come from, brother. Come
and give me my own a space. The most fight me get come from my own a place. But you see me
Sure. Hey, Klein and now support the dog. I want to know. Supposed to support Gage and the whole crank. I want to know. Yeah, when I be here, so I do to Klein and I'm supposed to support the dog full force. Full force. I want to know, man. Klein, wake up.
da. Worry about what? I've got my problems and nobody know that.
Nobody.
I smoke, I drink and laugh, but me a no joker.
Tell them no man I want to you.
Them can't see me stress, no sir. Some man a put out the
No, sir.
best out ya. Yeah, hear me worry about what? I've got my problems and nobody know that.
Nobody.
I smoke, I drink and laugh, but me a no joker.
No, sir. No, sir.
Believe.
Worry about what? I want to you. Worry about what? You see him say no, man. Yeah, I do this B and this B. Do this B and this B. I said, no, man, because you look like you don't make nothing stress you or like you know, you see me, you can't. Life a life, and you have to do what you have to do. You have to face struggle and face problem. You just gotta push through. Ain't no time around being worried and stressed out, because you're still gonna have to do what you have to do. Sun gonna rise tomorrow. You still have to get up and you still have to go. You still have to continue the journey. So worry about what you don't know. There's one thing certain in a life. Bills and debt. Hey!
Them can't see me stress, no sir. Some man a put out the best, boy yeah. My brain full of thoughts, dog, when me never mention. We coulda reach further than this, a cause of vengeance. If I know the parish, me no want to hear about sentence.
Come in now. If I know. The parish, me no want to hear about no sentence.
Dog, watch the fool I try for bench man. Me can't tell about war, you want hear? Miggle there, places were darker than cave. Sinners on the ground, even the Father can save.
On the ground with that. Sinners on the ground with that, even the Father can save. That deep. That deep.
Enough man I did coward, how the street make them brave. Me not talk to people, me living on my mind. Literally in the studio, I put my life on the line. Me build the confidence from drunk, them see a hype. Nothing with them I do can't stop it from touch the sky.
Come in, man. Nothing when them I do can't tap. Hey, nothing when them I do can't stop with Frank and touch the sky. You're deaf? You're deaf?
If you never day up, yes, them will not say hi. At the end of the day, them fi know see a night. Hate me till
At the end of the day, yes, at night, I want to know. On the year. At the end of the day, at night, I want to know. So, what you worry about? What you worry about? I ain't idea at night, you know? For real, think about it. Think about it, meds it.
Die. You want to see your bad mind looking at them eye. Yo, grand spend. Worry, boy.
Nothing, dog.
I've got my problems like anybody, boy.
Worry about what? I've got my problems like anybody, like anybody, boy. Come
And
here.
still I hold it.
I smoke, I drink and laugh, but me a no joker.
Yeah, I smoke, I drink, I laugh, but me and a joker. Yo, Gage, you're a real youth, brother. Them underestimate you and them fear you. One of them. You see me, but either one of them to speak to your goodness, dog. To you, man, them afraid of you, man.
On a cloud.
Them can't see me stress, no sir. Man I put out the best. Candle in the wind, protect the flame, now make it out. The brain take in a lot, give me the rhythm, me let it out. Used to look out for people, nowadays me just look out. Palm me not show this for no cloud. You said the devil strong, that's the way you tell yourself. Me a fight him for real, brother, me no need no help. When I fight couple demons, me a fight the whole of hell. Plus couple enemy, we should have been friends.
Yeah, fight a couple demons, man, fight the whole of hell. Eh!
I know.
Hey, a couple of them could have be friends. Hey, come in, man, you fight a couple demons. Me a fight the whole of hell. Plus couple.
Worry, boy.
Nothing.
I've got my problems like anybody, boy.
Hit you got joy, dog.
I smoke, I drink and laugh, but me a no joker.
And a clown out.
Them can't see me stress, no sir. Some man a put out the best, boy.
When can't see me stressed, no sir. Someone put out the best, boy.
Yeah, hear me worry, boy.
Nothing.
I've got my problems like anybody, boy. I smoke, I drink and laugh, but me a no joker.
Market lane.
So them can't
No sir.
see me stress, no sir. Man a put out the best, boy.
Southside.
Come on, man, I'm tear. Them can't see we stress, no sir. So me I put out the best, boy. I mean, man, Gage, big up yourself, brother. Big tune, brother. Big tune. Them now get the ratings where you forget to Gage, I mean no. But you see that's why me, youth like me and my podcast exist. Cause we go shine light on all of the bad artists, them, you know. You see me? All of the artists them now get the shine of them forget them I get it over here. Best believe. Gage hopefully one day in the future can up on the podcast and do some interview and everything there. You see me? But big up yourself, big bad tune. People want them Gage, worry about what. You see me? I know nothing about the one in the comment section, people. You see me? Drop the fire emoji. Drop the fire emoji. I don't see no gap which kind of emoji because it's a big tune. Fire emoji. You see me? I'm definitely going to show the artists and love and support over page and make it no say Jambisco sending over this. You see me? Yeah man, big tune guys, big tune. You want Gage, worry about what. Gage underrated is one. Very talented. You see me? Very lyrical. Very versatile, full of flow. Yo, you're bad, brother. And you're full of style too. You see me? Yeah man, they underestimate you. Yo, don't underestimate kind of new them, you know. You see me? Don't underestimate kind of new them. Don't play out the thing, you know, brother. Kind of not come be the new music capital of Jamaica. Just watch. No artists have a pop out a lot. You see me? Just wait, man. Yeah man. But soon come in my area, call it. Don't worry, you see me? But all this time there, kind of, don't worry yourself. I'm soon far. You see me? But anyway, don't know. You say what Jambisco was here and hit and smash up. Banger. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.